Hello all, this is Boya Pro Audio Series BY-M1 mic. This is the front and you can see the image of the product. It is compatible with the phone, tablet, PC and DSLR and camcorders. On the back you can see the features. It has a special feature like noise cancellation, and let's open it and see how it actually looks like. Okay, so let's open it. Inside we have this bag, little bag, and this is user manual, I guess, and this is the warranty card, and what's there inside. And inside this they have given the one clip and one 1x4 inches jack for DSLR and a battery, because this works with battery on camera. On smartphone you can use without the battery. This is the mic, how it looks like. This is 1.5 meter wire. So, and this is how it looks like. They have given one sliding button, one for smartphone and one for camera. So if you open it from here, there is the slot to insert the battery. Okay, and this is the foam. They have given a foam cap. Okay, so I really like this product, and the best buying link is in the description. You can check it out. So bye bye, take care. I'm shooting without the mic. Let's use. Now I am shooting it with the mic. You might see the difference. So there is no noise.